औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, आज हम आपके सामने MCS101 GDB solution लेकर आए हैं। My name is Iqra and my channel name is Virtual Expert. Today we will study about the GDB of MCM101. The question requirement of GDB solution is the categorization of people in particular groups on the basis of age, race, religious belief, or any social class is called stereotype. For instance, Muslim women are criticized because of full face veil in around the world, while on the other hand we often read or watch in media that Muslims have been labeled as terrorists. Question of the GDB is, considering the above passage, recall a movie or a drama in which a group of people has been stereotyped and projected in a negative manner. यानी हमने ऊपर वाले पैराग्राफ को कंसिडर करना है एज अ रिकॉल अ मूवी या ड्रामा इन विच अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, जिसमें लोगों का एक ग्रुप हैज बीन stereotyped and projected in a negative manner या negative manners. Answer of the GDP is, in traditional journalism, we focus on print media. Journalist needs to know how to get news info, write, edit, and print. After the radio and TV started, which opened up way for broadcasting audio and video messages, another field of journalism opened up, which is called broadcast media. If a journalist works in print media, he focuses only in print media. If he works in broadcast, he focuses only broadcast media. When internet came, the requirements are changed. Internet is the medium where you need to write news, edit, supported by photo, audio, and video. Now the employers in media houses looking for people with multiple skills to work on news, take photos and videos, and upload the contents online and send for print and broadcast media. It is very difficult for a media house to keep many people for the same job. The challenges they are facing, the old staff is required training on how to send emails, take photos and videos, how to edit them, and be available on different media like TV, internet, social media. Mobile phones with high-end camera and recording devices enable ordinary person to work as a journalist. People can send their feedback instantly. The content reply immediately or uploaded. Tools used required to be upgraded. On the other hand, it also threatens the jobs availability for full-time journalists. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then press on like button and please subscribe our channel and comment your ideas below the video. Allah Hafiz दोस्तों.